Welcome to my channel, Grateful Heart. Ang sarap pakinggan pag mayroon nagpapasalamat sa iyo. Yung mga kapatid ko kasi, ang pinag-aral ko sila, especially yung pinag-aral ko ng nurse, at the time talaga, nung late 70s, mid-70s until late 70s, nag-graduate siya ng nurse here in the Philippines. At that time, dapat cash for one semester, 20,000 at that time. Siyempre pag ngayon yan, talagang malaki na yan. Nung matapos siya, she worked here in Manila, and of course, started also to help the family. Then, she was able to apply, nagbound for America. And she worked there in Manhattan Avenue in New York. And then, she was able to pass a licensure also in nursing in the States. So she was able to work in the hospital. Then, a few years after, she got married. Umpisa at that time, she had always a grateful heart to me. Every time she would send a letter, or this time now, because of social media, technology, messages, she would always thank me. And of course, send balikbayan box every year, especially if it's coming Christmas time. Nagkaanak siya, then ang mga anak niya nag-asawa, may mga anak na din. Very nice to hear. Even if they have not witnessed me supporting their mother, sila mismo din magpasalamat sa akin. Tita, kung hindi dahil sa iyo, wala kami. Wala si mama. Paano kami? Hindi sila nagkita si papa. So, wala. And also, mga asawa nila, ikakwento nila na, Tita Lenny, we are grateful to her because had it not been for her supporting our mama in taking up nursing, we are not here, we don't meet you, we don't have children, and mama would not be able to come here in the US. So, sila po, parati po yan, nagpapasalamat. Masarap din pakinggan po yung grateful heart. Magpapasalamat, then i-appreciate ka, even in little things, napakalaking bagay that would boost yourself, especially for elderly like me now. So, grateful heart, very good for the elderly to hear them always. Thank you. Bye. Like and share and comments.